Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Apple AirPods Pro available. The Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation with MagSafe charging case and USB-C connectivity. Whether you're upgrading your wireless earbuds or stepping into the Apple ecosystem for the first time, these AirPods Pro offer a premium experience that's hard to beat. Right from the start, these AirPods Pro stand out thanks to Apple's powerful H2 chip, which enhances the audio experience with impressive clarity and depth. This chip improves noise cancellation, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your music, podcasts, or calls without being disturbed by outside noise. The active noise cancellation is smarter and more adaptive than ever before, making it perfect for busy environments, whether you're commuting, working, or just relaxing. Design-wise, the AirPods Pro maintain the sleek, compact, and comfortable in-ear form factor that Apple fans love. They come in classic white and fit snugly in your ears with customizable silicone tips to ensure both comfort and a secure fit. This not only makes them comfortable for long listening sessions but also helps with passive noise isolation, complementing the active noise cancellation feature. One of the most convenient upgrades is the MagSafe charging case with USB-C. The case supports wireless charging and fast charging, so you can get hours of listening time with just a short charge. Plus, the switch to USB-C means faster, more universal charging compatibility compared to the older Lightning connector. The case itself is compact and easily fits in your pocket or bag, offering multiple full charges for your earbuds, which means you can stay unplugged for longer. Compatibility is seamless with Apple devices. Pairing is instant with iPhones, iPads, Macs, and even the Apple Watch. The AirPods Pro automatically switch between devices, so if you're watching a show on your iPad and get a call on your iPhone, the AirPods will handle the transition effortlessly. They also support spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, which creates a theater-like experience by placing sounds all around you in a 3D space. In terms of sound quality, these earbuds deliver rich, balanced audio with deep bass and crisp highs. The adaptive transparency mode lets you hear important sounds from your environment clearly without completely turning off. Noise cancellation, which is great for staying aware of your surroundings while enjoying your audio. Battery life is solid, offering up to 6 hours of listening time on a single charge, with more than 30 hours available including the charging case. This means you can rely on them for a full day of use without worrying about running out of power. The charging case itself supports fast charging, so just 5 minutes in the case can give you about an hour of listening. Durability is also a strong point. The AirPods Pro have an IPX4 water resistance rating, so they can handle sweat and light rain, making them suitable for workouts and outdoor activities. In summary, the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation with MagSafe charging case combine excellent sound quality, effective noise cancellation, a comfortable design, and great battery life. The addition of the H2 chip and USB-C charging elevates the experience, making these truly the best AirPods Pro you can get today. Whether you're an Apple enthusiast or just want premium wireless earbuds, these deliver on all fronts. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.